everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I am going to be making a clock out of an 18-inch cradle board. I was trying to do something else on the cradle board, did not work out. So I'm just going to paint over top of it, but do a bloom. All right, let's get down onto the board, get started, be right back. All right, I've got an 18 by 18 cradle board here. I painted on this. Tried to do an experiment and did not work out well, so I'm going to actually do a clock out of this. So I'm gonna do a big old bloom using some really nice colors, and then we're gonna blow it out. So let's start off with our PPG Multi-Pro. Helps if I give myself some air here. Should be good enough. Today is 80 degrees outside. My allergies are kicking in. All right. So let's start off with some Benevolence. Gonna use a lot of color on here, so I think I'll come back in twice with my colors. We'll see. And then we're gonna go in with some Pebeo green blue. And then we're gonna come in with some Amsterdam in primary yellow. Got some light blue here. And then we're gonna come in with some gold. And then we're gonna top it off with some Carmine Red. We're not gonna use, ooh, this is kind of thickened up on me. Center there. And then we're going to come in here with some of my Payne's Gray cell activator. Just a little bit more. All right. Oops. I drug through it. All right. Go with this. Can't say that I like that. We'll let this collect. Got a lot of white cells here, so not real crazy with that section. And of course the center, it will be the center where the clock arms will be, so I don't need to be too concerned with what I have dead center. Give it a spin, see how this goes. Definitely interesting, but I don't know that I like this. Let's go this route again. Paints have thickened up. Probably should just water them down a little bit. That's all right. Let's try this again. Tell you what, this time let's add some of this red in here. Some gold. Yellow. Some more of the teal, or the greenish blue. Light blue. I think this was sky blue light. Yeah, this. What do we think? Put some of the cell activator down here in the center. All right. Now we're getting our sails much better. This should spin out differently too. I kind of wanted to go in this color scheme. We'll see what we get when we spin. And again, like I said, the center of it's going to be the clock where the arms and stuff is, so attach. So we'll be okay with that. This time I have a lot more paint, so this will be able to spin out a little better. Okay, let's give this a light spin. Just giving a little bit of paint so this will help glide. Excellent. And then my hole's gonna go right here in the center. That's gonna be cool. Actually, I forgot. I taped the sides, so the sides should be bare wood as long as the paint doesn't leak through. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here. Once this dries, I'll be able to put resin and numbers and all that jazz on it. But I will bring you guys down for a close-up. Okay guys, here we are with the wet result. So, bring you in here close. Okay guys, that is it. So it is still wet, but I can pick it up briefly while it's drying. There we go. Really cool. I love the center, so it's going to make an excellent clock once it's dry. I am going to put it back down, and I am going to be going to work for a day or two, and when I come back, should be dry enough that I can stick some resin on it and it'll be good to go. So. All right, everyone, thanks for watching, and I hope to see everybody on Sunday. David is having knee surgery on Friday, so I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to get something painted because I'm leaving today for work, and I'm not coming back till Thursday night. So maybe I'll see you Sunday. If not, I'll see you next week. All right, everyone, have a great rest of the week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.